right, what do we got going on today, guys?
Skydiving for the first time.
Skydiving, all right. Any special occasion for going skydiving?
Nah.
No? It's like, hey, it's Saturday. Let's go out and jump out of planes.
Hell yeah.
Sounds sick, man. Well, that definitely explains that fancy suit you're wearing. You look ready to go. I'm ready to go. You guys ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go have some fun. Get it. Boom. 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 Woo-hoo. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, man. We found the plane, dude. Let's do this. Let's make it happen. Here we go. All right, let's go. Good grip, right? All right. You're flying, dude. Go ahead, bring it up. Let's fly this canopy. Woo! Yeah! Looks good, man. You want to do a turn, man? Do a skydiving. Tell me, how are you feeling?
That was wonderful. Oh my god, I feel great. Like, definitely want to do it again. So.
What was your favorite part?
Like it was the jumping out and like the initial part, like seeing us go down. That was the fun part. So
yeah, well, you absolutely killed it, man. You did an outstanding job. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Yeah, get it! Woo!